Hi there, what's going on? Why the worry lines? Well, wait a minute, let me guess. You're wondering how to use the Sony ZV-E10 for bird photography, aren't you? Oh my friends, what a request. Stick around, I've got some surprise in store for you. Come on. In the quiet moment before the sun grazes the horizon, I'll start preparing myself for a new journey in nature. Armed with the small Sony ZV-E10 and the versatile Sony 200-600G lens, my destination is the white St. Peter beach. Today's adventure is for those who have ever wondered if the Sony ZV-E10 is good for birds photography. I'm Giuseppe, and I'm thrilled to be your personal guide on this journey. Together we'll figure out how to get stunning birds photo with this small but fantastic camera, as well as how to set it up. So let's dive into the world of bird photography with the Sony ZV-E10, your cheapest passport for a new adventure in nature. I'm sure you are thinking about how to set up the camera, aren't you? Okay, let me show you how to do it. For the camera, I set the burst mode. Furthermore, I used the autofocus continuous. For focus area, I've been using the tracking mode, the real-time tracking mode, using the large spot. And I used the ISO auto from 500 to 3200 ISO value. And for shooting, I used the aperture priority program. So as you can see, it's pretty simple and easy. Nothing complicated, but I think you are thinking about if you need to camouflage your gear and yourself as well. When it comes to bird photography, becoming part of the environment is the key to capturing those elusive moments. Today, we are diving into the art of camouflage for the Sony 200-600G mm lens and the Sony ZV-E10, ensuring we blend seamlessly into the world of our feathered friends. First on our list is the Sony 200-600G lens, a powerhouse in capturing distant subjects. To avoid catching unwanted attention, consider using lens cover in natural tones like earthy greens or browns, or a rain cover like this one. This simple step not only hides and protects the lens, but also helps it meld into the foliage, allowing you to observe without disrupting. But it's not just about the gear, it's about you too. Consider wearing clothing that matches the environment. Every tone and muted colors help you fade into the background, becoming a silent observer rather than a disruptive force. Or maybe you can also consider a gill suit like this one, or maybe a more simple one. As you embark on your bird photography adventures, remember, patience is your greatest camouflage. Move slowly, minimize abrupt movements, and let surroundings become your shield. The 200-600G mm lens and the Sony ZV-E10 camouflage and in sync with nature open a portal to a world of undisturbed bird watching and photography. Okay, my friend, I've chosen this spot. It's quite new for me because it's quite calm. It's quite quiet. Yes, and and there are quite a lot of birds, mostly goats, mallards, and there are also egrets, yes, and before there was a grey eagle. So in theory I would have quite a lot chance to get a nice picture. Okay, using the gimbal today is mandatory because the screen of the ZV-E10 is too small for me, and instead of with the bigger screen of the gimbal, I can see better the situation to focus and follow animals like before. Furthermore, not having a viewfinder, I can't use it. So for me, it's the only way. Maybe for you, it could be better to use the normal screen of the ZV-E10 because you see better than me. Yes. The kingfisher. There was the kingfisher in front of me, and I didn't manage to photograph. Oh my goodness! Unbelievable! It was flying, and it landed for a while on the perch in front of me. Unbelievable! Hi there, my friend. Did you address your question? I hope I did, but just in case, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, let me know about your go-to gear for bird photography and perhaps your secrets, yes, to camouflaging in nature. You can also watch this video, how to camouflage yourself in nature, clicking the link above. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, bye for now.